This is Dante doing it again. We got him he went to his bowl of water and he just kept on splashing the water out of it, so we went and got his ceramic bowl. It's actually our roasting dish. And we went and filled it up with tepid water to see if he wanted to do it again, and he did.
See if he gets out and gets back in.
He just loves his water at the moment. He wants to sit down in it and play in it. This is water. I know you can't tell from here, but it's filled up to the ground, up to the top, I mean.
You can probably see the reflections if you zoom in a bit. Ripples, whatever you call it.
Dante! Hello, baby boy! Who's loving his water bath?
As you can tell, unless we're invisible, we're not exactly trying to keep him in there.
Can you pull my shower chair out the way, babe? Aww. Did we interrupt your bath? Oh, what's that? What's on the ground? What are you doing, little boy? You're going to be saturated. I'm going to have to dry you again. Loving it. Dante! Dante! Yeah. Okay, this is getting boring because all he's doing is sitting down in it.
Now keep filming. We can always edit out bits. Watch. Straight back in.
You can go back in.
That's it.
Oh, he's so cute.
Some things mankind was just never meant to see.
No, don't make me laugh. I shut the camera.
Just gotta put anti-shape on. It gets rid of some of the jiggle.
Who's so cute, little boy?
Jesus?
Dante. Dante. Oh, hello, baby. You love your water, don't you? You love your water. I think there's something on the lens. Something's reflecting weirdly on the front of the camera.
I think that's just a fingerprint on the screen.
Oh, okay. You got out. Okay. Show's over, apparently.
I'm gonna see you. Move along.